morning. Today I'm heading out to a huge shopping mall called Lalaport. I was actually there a couple of days ago, but my battery ran out. I guess I forgot to shut off my camera and it just kept running. So I felt like that's not a very wholesome vlog. But I'm going there today with an actual goal, not just walking around. I'm gonna get some school supplies. But before that, bugs in my face. Before that, I'm actually gonna try to find a bank so that I can transfer my rent. I was so dumb because I was just at the 7-Eleven and I was gonna transfer, but then they didn't support cash, and I was so like hell-bent on that, you know, Japan is cash country, gotta do everything with cash. But basically you couldn't at that branch, so I gotta find a real bank and hopefully everything will work out. Now I gotta wait for the green signal and I'll see you soon.
特急上の駅では徳永橋八幡高田の青と日暮里終点上野の順に停車いたします。ご乗車30分発各駅停車上野駅で場所までしばらくお待ちください。
Okay, I made it, and the shuttle bus was so hot. Like seriously, why don't they just blast the air conditioner in there? It's crazy. I love the smell of Lush any day, all day. But my plan right now is to actually find some late breakfast because I didn't eat anything before I left. But all in all, the bank transfer went well, so that's good. She was super helpful. There was a lady there and I was like, I want to pay my rent, please help me. In Japanese, of course. So hopefully it got to the right place. Probably way off to finding a restaurant, but you know, I'll probably have to concentrate a bit. I'll show you when I get there. I actually found pizza for just 100 yen, so I'm actually gonna try that instead of splurging on a cafe or something. So I just got a comic book. Not really a planned buy, but I finally found it, so I have been wanting it. I was in a big sports shop because I wanted to find some kind of sports leggings, but it was so huge and I could not navigate. Actually, I can't navigate anything because now I'm going back to where I was. But I'm thinking that I want to go to Tokyo Hands, because they have like a lot of stationary things, because that was my goal today. So just gonna try my best for that. Oh my god, I found it, and it didn't even take me that long. Yay! I can't believe how long it took me to just find a regular charcoal pen. I found like every other pen and brushes and everything, but just a regular pen was hard to find. I'll settle for kind of simple, cutesy notebooks. They have so much cute stuff. Dude, that's like a pirate ship playground. That's so cool. Anyway, I feel done in there, because if I stay, I will just stay for like all day, and that's not good. So I'm actually gonna take the shuttle bus to IKEA now, because I thought I would pick up some food, as the Swede I am, because there's a IKEA just nearby, but I don't know where to locate it. I shouldn't walk around where I don't know the way. I'm too tired for that. So I think one is coming right now actually. So let's just get on that. So many years ago I actually had a work interview here. But I didn't get it. Maybe this time it will be different. Maybe they will offer me a job on the spot. Who knows? I feel like so much has happened here since then. I'm not sure. It was such a stressful day. But I'm thinking I should get like a desk lamp, because it's pretty dark where I sit with my computer, and I don't think that's very good for my eyes. So, yeah. Station is over there. Let's go in. I think this is a typical Japanese thing, right? I don't think you'll see that in Sweden. I reached the food court, but I don't feel like it. I think I'll just go down to the self-serving, like you can pick out your stuff that you want here. Oh yes, so much more quiet. Oh my god, there were so many kids screaming. They didn't want to leave like the little playground that is around the kids section. I'm sorry, I'm a bit exhausted. I could use something sweet. I kind of wanted so many cats, so cute. I would want a blanket, but it's not time for that yet. Huh. Slippers. Could use another pair of slippers actually. Mine are quite flimsy. But not today. And then there is the case of my butt ugly curtains. That is also not for today. And for some reason I'm back at Lalaport. It's planned. I need to take another bus to the station where I go from, so can't be out. I think I kind of know my way around now. Maybe. Wish me luck. Hello. It is evening now. I have attended my class and it went well. Now I just gotta figure out a topic for what I want to write the essay about till next seminar. And I just thought I would show you like a few things that I have bought around my room, so to speak. First we have this. It is a makeup mirror. Woo! It is powered by batteries. I just really wanted one. That one is not, it's very good, there's not much light there. And it wasn't expensive either, it was under 2,000 yen from Nitori. And I also got this bookcase. It's called a color box in Japan for some reason. And then I also went to IKEA today and I just picked up some batteries for this and other things. And I also found this lamp at the outlet for just like 300 yen. It's like $3. Super cheap. And then of course I got like the wrong size light bulb, so I gotta go exchange it. Hopefully they will let me. And then I just got one of those poles to hang my clothes for when they need to dry, because I have one of those dehumidifiers. Very much needed, I can say, because it's really hot. And then I also got this because I want to like sort out my underwear and stuff, because they're all just like in a box right now. And I got this chair. It was under 3,000 yen, so under 30 bucks. I just felt like I really needed a little back support when I sit by the computer. I also have sesame dressing. Sorry, I had that for dinner. I didn't put it back in the fridge yet. So yeah, Nitori, IKEA, Nitori. I also got some stuff at Tokyo Hands. I think I already showed you, but here we go again. They love wrapping things in Japan. Just like a really, really small pen with some extra, what do you call these in English? I don't even know. Well, since I'm going to be writing a lot of kanji, I figured the smaller pen the better, because then I can see which strokes I actually did. And then I got some school notebooks. So cute, they're called Campus. And they're just different colors, and they are like Arctic themed, which I could use. I had to turn down my air conditioner because it's really loud if it's actually spewing out cold air. And last I got a manga. It's called Mori no Takuma-san. And it's really cute. It's about a girl who wants the perfect boyfriend, and she has all these ideas of how he should be, and then she hears about this guy and he seems perfect, except for the thing that he is like super overweight, and he doesn't really know because he's been living in America, and he's like, but I'm normal over there. And it's just so cute, because I think she's gonna fall for the chubby version of him, so to speak, because he fluctuates in weight when he gets emotional. But I think that's what's gonna happen. So I'm looking forward to it. I've read the first part online, so I bought the second part now. And now I need to take the JCAT test. Not looking forward to that. And yeah, I'm a bit hungry, but I sort of already ate dinner. I might grab something small. Yeah, I will end today's vlog here. Hope you're doing well. I am sweating bullets. It's really humid today. There was supposed to be a typhoon, but it kind of like swifted its course, so thankfully there is none. That's really good. Yeah, let's get to studying. Bye!